Hello, thank you for always watching my channel. This is Samurai. Today, I'm excited to share another glimpse of real life in Japan with you. When you think of sushi, many of you might imagine nigiri sushi. But making nigiri sushi can be a bit challenging, right? That's why temaki sushi, also known as roll sushi, which is much easier to make, is so popular in Japanese households. Today, I'll be introducing you to roll sushi, a beloved dish in Japanese homes. The charm of temaki sushi is that you can prepare your favorite ingredients and roll as much as you like with whatever you like. It's super easy. It's loved by everyone, from kids to adults, and it's great for home parties with friends. Especially for those outside Japan who might associate sushi with raw fish. Temaki sushi allows you to enjoy various ingredients. So, even if you're not in Japan, you can still host a temaki sushi party in your own country. Now, let's start the temaki sushi party. Enjoy real Japanese life. First, let's prepare the sushi rice. If you don't like vinegar, you can use regular rice instead. I've selected ingredients that I think you'll enjoy even if you're outside Japan. Now, let's roll with some of my recommended combinations. Let's get started. with so many flavors to enjoy, you might end up eating more than you planned. So, how did you like it? You can use any ingredients that suits your taste, so please try it with ingredients from your own country. And if there's a topic about Japan that you'd like me to cover, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Enjoy real Japanese life. Don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel.